Helping verb. I am happy. She is cooking food. We are going to school. He was in the market. They were playing cricket in the ground. We do exercise daily. It does not work. I did my work. I have a book. She has a new dress. We had a meeting in the morning. I can swim. I could swim when I was young. She may come late. She might come late today. She will help you. I would like a cup of tea. We shall win the match. You should study every day. I must finish my homework. They are playing football. She was at home when I called her. You were taking on the phone when I called. You do your homework. She does all her work very carefully. They did their best in the football match. We have completed our project on time. It has become very hot today in the afternoon. He had a bike before he sold it. She can speak English. You could try again. It may take time. He might be sleeping now. He will come soon. She would call you late. I shall go to school tomorrow.